Yo Broly, how's everything going? So finally, I was able to get a chance to check out one of the products from Panther. Panther is a local brand here in the Philippines that offers super affordable gaming peripherals like what we have here today. So right here, I have the packaging for the Panther Pulsar gaming headset and you're currently listening to it. With that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so right here we have the packaging for the Panther Pulsar gaming headset. As you can see, the packaging is fairly simple, just a black box with the yellow branding around, logo, and the model name. And then upon opening the box, of course, you'll see the Panther Pulsar gaming headset itself. And as you can see, the gaming headset is fairly simple as well in terms of the overall look, but we'll take a look at that later. Now, inside the box, we also have the user manual, as you can see here, with the specifications. So this is the Pulsar V2. I'll show the specifications here so that you can take a screenshot if you want. And then we have the detachable microphone. I'll show it to you in a second. So right here we have the detachable microphone with a foam filter. So this one is quite flexible and uses the 3.5mm interface. And finally, we have the Panther Pulsar gaming headset itself. And as I've mentioned earlier, the overall design is quite minimal with just a black colorway with some white logos on the side of the headset. There you go. So yeah, it looks very good for a gaming headset. It doesn't scream gamery at all. So we have a soft cushion right here. And then as you can see, it is quite flexible. There you go. So build construction is very good for the price of this headset. So right here we don't have any design actually on the ear cup. The logo is actually located on the headband here. There you go. And then here we have the adjustment period. There's some notches to it. And then here we have the headband. And then here on this side, as like on the other side, we don't have any design element here, which I actually prefer. And then we have the same adjustment option here with notches. And then right here we have the 3.5mm port for the detachable microphone. Okay, so in terms of the ear cups, it is flexible, and then it has enough depth to it for your ears to go inside, and it also has a soft foam inside as well. There you go. We also have the cable here. Now we also have here the cable. It is braided with a substantial amount of length. We also have a Velcro cable management strap right here. And of course, we have the inline controls. So we have a mute button, dedicated mute button for the microphone, as well as the volume adjustment knob right here. Okay, so aside from that, we also have a splitter. So removable splitter, of course. So this is the TRRS port that you can attach the splitter for the TRS ports for splitting your input and output audio signals. Overall, I really like the design and construction of the Panther Pulsar. Again, minimalist, black and white colorway. So the microphone has a notch so that you will not make mistake when plugging it in on the headset like so. And like I said, it is flexible so that you can place it closer or farther to your mouth depending on your preference. Alright, so with the unboxing experience out of the way, let's discuss about the design and construction. Like I said earlier, the design is very subtle. It is just black and silver colorway with a very subtle white Panther logo on the upper side. Now, in terms of the construction, for the most part, it is very good with a combination of hard plastic materials and metal for the headband. And then it is also quite flexible. And in terms of the comfort and fit, I think this is one of the few things that I don't like about this gaming headset. At least for a couple of things. The first one is the clamping force. I think it is too tight for my preference, especially given the fact that my head is not that big. And the second one is just the nature of the material for the earpads, which is leather. Of course, we all know that leather can get hot at some point, especially for long period of gaming sessions. Other than that, again, it is flexible. We have a good amount of padding all over the headset. And in terms of the sound quality, which is equally important when choosing a gaming headset, in my opinion, the sound quality of the Panther Pulsar is very, very good. The sound signature, I think, is leaning towards the balanced side with a little bit of warmth. So you have a pretty good amount of low end in bass, clear mids and highs, and you can definitely listen to it at maximum level without feeling uncomfortable and without feeling discomfort. So aside from that, vocals are very clear, and overall the sound quality of this gaming headset, in my opinion, is very good for the price. Now the microphone quality is equally good, and I'll give you a sample test right now. Alright, so this is a microphone test for the Panther Pulsar gaming headset. Again, this is a microphone test for the Panther Pulsar gaming headset. Microphone test 1 2 3 1 2 3. So I'm using the Streamlabs OBS to record this without any filter and with minus 9.9 decibels in terms of my gain right here. So again, this is a microphone test for the Panther Pulsar gaming headset. So as you've heard, the microphone quality is pretty good, and I think you can even use this for voiceovers, casual voiceovers that is, especially for budding content creators, streamers, and the like. You can also use this, of course, for Facebook, Viber, Skype, and what have you. So pretty good in-game communication for sure. Now, I've been using the Panther Pulsar for gaming for a couple of weeks now, specifically in Valorant, and I didn't encounter any significant issues. The sound positioning seems to be pretty accurate, and the decent low-end frequency certainly helps with that. So yeah, I don't have any problems with the Panther Pulsar when it comes to gaming performance. Oh, by the way, I'm going to give away one Panther Pulsar gaming headset to one of you guys, and to join the giveaway, all you have to do is like and share this video. Of course, subscribe and help me reach 50,000 subscribers. Comment down below one good feature of the Panther Pulsar with a hashtag Panther Pulsar. Now, there's one thing that I noticed about this gaming headset. Actually, it was my friend who noticed it. Is that sometimes they can hear what I'm hearing through my headset. I'm not sure if it is crosstalk or just simply sound leakage coming from the headset going through the microphone. But sometimes they can hear some of the sounds that I was able to hear on my headset. So yeah, and I did some tests, and interestingly, all of my headset on the studio has that issue. It's just that the Panther has the more prevalent or more obvious sound leakage among all of the gaming headsets that I have here in the studio. Here's a quick sound test so that you can have an idea of what I'm talking about. So this one is the EPOS H6 Pro. I'm currently not listening to anything, but now I'm going to turn on or play some Valorant sound effects. Okay, so that's at 50% volume. Now, this is the Cooler Master MH751. Not listening to anything. And now I'm going to play some Valorant sound effects. So that's also at 50% volume. And now this is the Panther Pulsar gaming headset. Not listening to anything. And now I'm going to play some Valorant sound effects. Alright, so that's also at 50% volume. Now, in terms of my overall recommendation, given the price, I think the Panther Pulsar is a very good option, competitive one, especially at the local target market space. The headset itself is very good in terms of the sound quality. Partner that with a good sounding microphone, and you'll have a bang for the buck gaming headset. Now, if you can get past the drawbacks or cons of this gaming headset, like the clamping force, overall comfort in fit, as well as the very subtle sound leakage, then again, this is a very easy recommendation for me. And there you have it, guys. Huge thanks to Panther Philippines for sending this in. You can get this using the link below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like this, and don't forget to join the giveaway. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome.